Sir, since the integration of PATHARKHMAH civil subdivision, the subdivision officer are number 1, Sri Bantelangji Karchandi MCS, and number 2, Sri BM Tongfar MCS Tilgate. And 8th, sir, the proposal for creation of post has been initiated.
Mr. Speaker, sir, at the outset, I would like to say and express my gratitude to the Minister for this reply, and I would like to place my gratitude on record to the Chief Minister of the state in the last term and the current term for declaring PATHARKHMAH as a civil subdivision. This place has been left unattended for quite a number of years. In the reply at B, whether fencing has been done or any boundary pillars erected on a said land, the answer is no. Mr. Speaker, sir, through you I would like to inform this House that the land has been donated to the government when PATHARKHMAH was just an administrative unit. So this period has crossed more than about 15 years. I'm surprised that after 15 years, there's not even one boundary pillar. There is land encroachment by people staying surrounding that land. So the land which has been donated to the government is reducing on a day-to-day basis. I would like to ask the Minister, the Honorable Minister, when can we expect, at least if not a complete fencing, at least take care of the boundaries, erect some pillars. We are all concerned. We have got the civil subdivision in PATHARKHMAH. It means a lot to me because I was born there. I want to see the civil subdivision of PATHARKHMAH to be alive, thriving, so that the people can enjoy the benefit of a civil subdivision. Right now, according to informations that I get, officers are going there twice a week. When it was an administrative unit, they go once a week. So what is the advantage for the people? We want a full advantage, we want proper fencing, and we want a proper civil subdivision building at the earliest. So my question is, when will the fencing be done? That is number 1. Number 2 is, when will the Minister allot funds for construction of the proper civil subdivision office building?
Speaker, sir. Sir, for PATHARKHMAH civil subdivision, when it was administrative unit, about about 11.6864 acre of land was donated with a deed gift. However, sir, we have understand and point noted the concern of the honorable members. But, sir, however, I would like to inform the House that the civil subdivision of PATHARKHMAH is being temporarily functioning from the office of the SDO PHA PATHARKHMAH, and the process for the proposal for permanent building and fencing has been processed, initiated from the department side, sir.